Today on Man Mike's Garage, I'm going to show you how to change the final drive gear oil out of your Concours 14. With help, apparently. Okay guys, for this you'll need a 12mm wrench for your drain plug. So we'll pop that out here and get that going. That stuff looks really good. It honestly, must have just been done before I got the bike, but I put somewhere in the range of 5,000 to 6,000 miles on it, and it looks really good. So that's a good sign. Not having much wear there. And this is your fill plug. So this will take quite a little while to drain out, I imagine, because it's thick. It has been pretty cold out here. And then just take your fill plug out here. That'll probably speed up the process, give it a vent so it comes out quicker. Didn't seem to change it at all. Okay, well this isn't very exciting, so I'll probably just pause the video because I don't think you want to sit here and watch gear oil drain out. And then I'll put the plug back in. Like I said, it's a 12mm plug. It doesn't appear to be magnetic. It has a crushed, like an aluminum sealing washer that's reusable, so I don't have to change anything there. So we're good. So it's pretty thick, but at the same time it looks really good, so that's a great sign. This is definitely the way to go over a chain. As you can see, maintenance wise, it's pretty simple. You don't have to clean it and re-lube it. You just let the oil come out. We'll be back. Hi guys, I researched what went into the final drive. It's actually 0.17 quarts, so it's not very much. That's why it filled up so quick. It kind of had me a little taken back there. For some reason I assumed it would take more than that. But thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And please like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll come up with a... Excuse me. Hopefully I'll come up with some good content here. I think I have a couple rear main seals that need changed. My fleet is leaking oil profusely at this point between my Honda and my Toyota, so I'll find a good time to take those out and I'll make sure I record all that for you guys. Noel, are you gonna help?
Yeah.
Noel has the mechanic stool. This is normally what happens every time I try to work on something. The stools turn into toys.
Yeah. That's all. And don't forget to belt us.
I didn't forget about you. They like to be in the videos too. When I get a longer job and I need tools and stuff, I'm hoping that I can include them in some capacity that makes it fun. So, like I said, have a good one. Stay tuned for the next episode. I don't know what we're going to do quite yet, but I'm sure something in my fleet's going to break soon. So, have a good one.